Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl Sandia G. If you're new here, welcome to Alama Returning Subs. You don't know how your girl feel about you. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, put your notification bell on so you'll be in the know when your girl upload new content. In today's video, guys, I'm going to be focusing on my daughter's room. I'm going to be doing a mini decorating kind of slash makeover in her room. I am going to be installing a bed frame that I got from Costway. So I am going to be doing a collaboration with Costway with a queen size bed frame. It is nail board and wooden slots. So this is the type of frame that you don't have to use the box spring with. It has the wooden slots along the line. You just press them on and you just put your mattress on the top. My daughter wanted the beige. I really wanted to put something gray in her room, but in all honesty, they didn't have the gray one. That's what mommy wanted, but they had the beige one, and that's what Basilia wanted. So I'm so happy that she got the beige one because it coordinated so well with her room. Here you can see my hubby is putting the bed frame together. We are going to put it together and then start decorating our room, and I am going to as well show you guys what it looks like when he's done putting it together. So I was supposed to paint our room, but I'm leaving the painting until probably December when she travels for Christmas holiday. I will put the paint, a different color paint on the wall. Here you guys can see Costway is having a Black Friday sale store wide right now, so you guys can go over and shop their store. I'm also showing you all the variety of items that they have in their store. I am going to be leaving the link in the description box for you guys to go over and check Costway out. They have many beautiful things. This is not the first, the second, nor the third time I've collaborated with them. As well as I'm going to be leaving a 10% discount code store-wide off in the description box as well. So guys, please go over and shop. You will enjoy what they have. They have beautiful, nice product. You guys know that I am going to decorate with their Christmas trees as well this year, as I've always done throughout the years. Costway is a brand that I have in my home. Costway is a brand that I rely on. Their products are really, really good. So you guys should go over and check them out. I will be leaving the link as well as my discount code down below. So guys, this is the bed all set up and all done. The hubby did a wonderful job putting this bed together. I really love the beige against the pink wall. It is doing something for me. The bed she had in the space before, as you guys know, was a brown bed, and it really allowed the room to be a little duller when it was in there. So this kind of brightens the room and kind of bring that pink out some more. What I'm about to do now is I'm changing the window treatments. So I'm going to be changing the window treatments. I also put up a mirror on the wall, and my daughter has this little Christmas tree that she plays in her room every year. This is the first time probably you guys have been seeing it. So yes, this is always in her room, and I had that little table in the corner that I picked up from my favorite store these days, Buggy Buster. So I pick up that table from Buggy Buster, so I'm using that in that corner. I'm also keeping the love seat that I got in another collaboration from another company in her room as well. There is a mirror that I'm going to be using over a dresser. I'm not going to be able to hang it right now, but I am going to get the screws that can manage the weight of that mirror to hang it over the dresser. So I'm changing our window treatments, and I'm going to be doing a little spruce up, decorating and cleaning in our room. But for now, guys, I'm just going to let you all just enjoy the rest of the video, and I'll come back towards the end and let you guys see how beautiful this space turned out to be.
I wanna be by your side, wanna be by your side. Come close, get under my skin, give me a piece of your mind. Just for a while, stay by my side. November gets cold, December gets darker. Let me know when you're home, 'cause you're lighting a spark in me. Gets pretty lonely, I get so lonely. So stay by my side, come on close, 'cause I wanna be by your side, wanna be by your side. Come close, get under my skin, give me a piece of your mind. Just for a while, stay by my side. Close, side, wanna be by your side. Just for a while, stay by my side.
I've been hanging on, counting days, thinking it was me all along. Had a million conversations in my head about where it went wrong. And I've got no idea where you've been, who you are, not anymore. All I got is this Polaroid picture of us from June 24th. It's where I kissed you for the first time, laid on your sheets. You gave me your heart and said you trusted with me, but all I did was let you down time and time again. It wasn't my intention, maybe we should have been friends. So, you're someone I used to know, but nobody said it'd be easy. But maybe I should've known. One more drink, just swallow it down. I gotta get you out of my mind. But nobody said it was easy. Maybe I should've known. I've been out till late, shifting beds, trying to kill the image of you. Got a million stupid reasons not to call, it's just that I want to. Do you remember how we pulled the drapes in the basement to get away from the world that we couldn't fit in? And how we used to walk those empty streets at night in the city lights. It's where I saw you for the last time, said our goodbyes, sat in the car. You saw the pain in my eyes, but I just couldn't let you down time and time again. It wasn't my intention, maybe we should have been friends. So, you're someone I used to know, but nobody said it'd be easy. But maybe I should've known. One more drink to swallow it down. I gotta get you out of my mind. But nobody said it was easy. But maybe I should've known. Guitar.
Wasted money on cures. Forgot how to fix myself. They say that time is free. Then why is it so precious? Oh, I'll say memories in my head, like Polaroids on walls. They remind you to look ahead. Time is running out. Time is running out. Lately I've lost my track. I've sailed the deeper seas, hoping to find something to bring back better times. Oh, I'll say memories in my head, like Polaroids on walls. They remind you to look ahead. But time is running out. 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 Time is running. Time is running out. But time is running out. What if my best days are over? They can't be over. They can't be over now. Time is running out. What if my best days are over? They can't be over now. Time is running out. Time is running out. Time is running out.
Guys, I am so happy that I was able to get this room finished for Basilia 11th birthday. My baby girl turns 11 on November 14th, and I am so happy that we were able to put this space together for her. It is fitting for a little princess, and that is what my beautiful, smart, intelligent, sophisticated daughter is. And I love her so much, and I just want her to know that our mommy loves her, daddy loves her siblings love her, our family love her, and we wish her all the best for the rest of her life here on earth. And guys, I want to say a special thank you for taking this time out of your busy schedule to spend it with me and seeing how I create this beautiful space for a baby girl. Guys, thank you so much for your love and your continued support. Please don't forget before you leave to like, share, subscribe, put your notification bell on so you'll be in the know when your girl upload new content. Until next time, guys, I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.
Lying like a ride, but take your stuff back.